everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae of Diva-Me-Please, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. Welcome to today's video. Today I will be doing the unboxing of Nailboxy. So if you do not know what Nailboxy is, it is a nail subscription box that you receive 5 to 10 full-size nail products in each box. It does come with free shipping and it is $29.99 a month. So this is their February box. I also wanted to get January and December's boxes as well, but I just need to keep looking forward because I know I will get so many more products moving forward throughout the year and I don't need to backtrack. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. This is what the box and packaging looks like. It has an open now, nail goodies inside. So as you know, February is for Valentine's Day. So I'm expecting everything in here to be Valentine's Day related. So this is everything that is in here. So this looks like 15% off your next order on Daily Charm Gel. So I think they teamed up with Daily Charm for this nail subscription box. So in here you get some Valentine's Day stickers. You get a heart mold. This is really cool. I didn't really have too many clients that wanted to get Valentine's Day inspired nails. More so just went with the colors of Valentine's, pink and red and glitter and things like that. And here we have a magic white chrome. If I can open this. Oh. You get chrome gel in whimsical. Ooh. Let's see. You get a Valentine's Day nail art wheel. So you have like some stars, some 3D hearts, some caviar beads, some heart frames, some crescent moons, and an arrow metal studs. You get some 3D art mixing gel. I've seen a couple of people use this and I am so excited to be very creative with this. And then you also get some pink chrome hearts. It looks like you get some hearts and some crosses in there as well. You're overfilling. Just put that top back on there. And not least, you get 2 jeweled mixing stick and a mixing spoon. So this is the spoon here, and then this is the mixing stick. So you can use these to like mix your powders together before you use them. If you're creating a custom color, you can use these as well. You can use the stick as if you're doing some nail art, things of that nature. So So this is everything that I received in the February Nailboxy subscription. I am so excited to see what I can come up with. Even though it's not Valentine's Day anymore, these things can still pretty much come in good use. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you saw. Leave a comment down below of what you would like to see me create with these items here. Make sure you share this with all of your beginner nail tech friends. I'm sure this will be helpful to someone because this is very helpful to me. And consider subscribing to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Friday. So make sure you hit that notification bell and you're not late to the party. Until next time, guys, bye.